Kung mahilig ka sa kitaan online, swak ka dito. Kung mahilig ka sa kitaan gamit ang cryptocurrency, lalong-lalo na ang TRX mining, cloud mining, swak na swak ka dito. Guys, for today's video, meron na naman tayong i-review another website, another platform na kung saan namimigay ng sandamakmak na TRX. Okay. By the way guys, bago tayo magsimula, syempre, manghihingi muna ako ng inyong likes. At syempre, samahan nyo na rin ng pag-subscribe sa akin channel. At syempre, wag nyo na akong tipirin, isama nyo na yung notification bell para maging updated ka pa sa mga darating nating mga kitaan video. Okay? So guys, sino nga ba itong ipapakilala ko sa inyo? By the way guys, please meet trxhg.net. Okay? Paano tayo kikita dito kaya trxhg.net? Simple lang guys. Una, gagawa muna tayo ng account. Okay? All we need to do is to create our account and then start investment para kumita tayo dito kaya trxhg.net. Or mag-invite lang tayo, pwede na tayong kumita dito kaya trxhg.net. So guys, let's go. Samahan nyo ako at mag-register na tayo. Okay? Okay. All we need to do guys is type invitation code. Just click my copy my invitation code dyan sa baba. And then simply just type your mobile number, for example, and then your login password. And same lang din yung login password sa security password. That's why make sure you don't forget your password. Okay? And keep it. Okay? And simply okay, to start your daily withdrawal. Okay? And dito kay promotion, mamaya pag-uusapan natin. dito sa promotion. And then sa level 2, okay, that is a massive rewards, guys. A massive website. Okay? And then, games, ayan. Click nyo lang yan guys kung gusto nyo maglaro. Ayan. Pwede kayong mag-bet dyan kung ilang TRX. Right? And then, dito sa activity, ayan. Pwede nyo basahin yan. Ito guys, babasahin muna natin. Okay, top up basic account. Ito yung kikitain nyo. Okay, in basic wallet income, need deposit TRX into basic account. Okay, sign up, get 30,000 NFT cryptocurrency. Isa rin to guys sa mga cryptocurrency, ang NFT ngayon na malakas na rin sa market. And basic account, deposit 5 TRX. By the way guys, merong minimum 5 TRX before you activate your account. Okay, and then 5 TRX to 50,000 TRX daily withdrawal is 5%. Okay, and basic account deposit is 50,000 to 100 TRX, you will get 5.5%. And then dito guys, sa 200,000 you will get 6%. Sa 300,000 you will get 7%. And then dito sa 500,000 you will get 8%. And 500,000 you will get 10%. Okay, as you can see guys, the higher you deposit, the higher you invest, the higher your income. Okay, the higher you withdraw. Okay, so the higher you deposit, the higher rate of return, which is a long-term stable income. Okay, again guys, ulitin ko, huwag magpapasilaw sa laki ng balik. Okay, dahil kababayan tayo, ayokong mapasubo kayo. Invest